and I can use the board now to see that stuff. But first I gotta put these on. Now I can read my stuff. Hi, this is Paul. I'm going to attempt to build a thing to hold my lap when I use the phone, set the phone on for it won't slide down, because I put the phone on my knee, it slides down, I can't really see everything. So here's where I got the boards. So I'm going to put this right here. I have drilled these holes here for guiding. Put that board right there.
So you drilled a hole in the workbench to help guide it.
Yeah, help line it up. Probably be best to put my glasses on.
That might help.
Then I gotta put the drill. I use this drill better because I get better control of that drill. So
All right, now let's show everybody what kind of drill is that you're saying is better for you to hold?
right angle drill.
A right angle drill,
Yes.
okay?
And I got this board right here. Now I drilled these holes right here. And
You drilled holes in the workbench for that too?
Yep. And I put them right here. So this is what I did is I put that one down tight, and then I cut this nari but size, but here's how I got to cut it with one hand. So I put that in there. So it's real tight. And then I can take the saw and whatever I need to cut it and go like that. The board won't come up or move around, because if you've got a board like 58 like that, you know, you can't cut because it's going to follow you around. So
That was smart.
I did that one. After I got it cut like that, and I put it right there, and I pre-drilled holes there before I can line them up. And I used a countersinker right there. It's in my, down here in my kit, I think. Let's see, I got two of them out, so I get confused where it's at. There it is, countersinker. So that's countersinker sets a screw in there, make it go like flush with the board. So I use that. So I go over here, put one there, and I put the other board here.
Now where'd you put that countersinker?
It's right here.
Okay.
I drilled these counters. I put little holes in the board first, go all the way through. Then I put a screw in that one, just hold it still. Then I'd use this countersinker a little bit to make that flush with the board.
Okay.
Then I go that way, one just a little bit, and I put the next one on. So then I take it back off.
So you just turn the drill to go reverse to take the screws out, right? Okay.
Yes, I do. And I got I take my glasses off. And that's where I put that on my knee, and my phone sits right there, it won't fall down. I'll show you in a little bit when I get inside on a chair. Okay, I'm inside. Now I'm getting ready to read my phone. The reason I built this board is I put my phone on it. Then it sees me. And I can use the board now to see that stuff. But first I gotta put these on. Now I can read my stuff on my board and stuff. So the board comes in handy
To keep your phone steady.
to keep my phone steady. It can go either way, this way or this way, depends on what the story is, or if I play my games on my phone. That's it for today. Thank you for watching my video.